This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Stunning custom home in Semiahmoo, situated on the 9th tee. This splendid property is full of sought-after amenities and detailed finishes. Each level will have you saying wow. Lower floor features workshop, gym, full bath, sauna and high-quality home theater with kitchen/bar. Main floor boasts expansive kitchen west/breakfast nook, formal dining room, living room, large bonus room and main floor primary with full bath. Upper floor includes 2 guest rooms, utility room and primary suite with tongue and groove ceiling details, double fireplace, amazing walk-in closet and bath, plus private balcony. The backyard paradise is complete west/mature landscaping, accent lighting and covered patio west/built-in barbecue kitchen. Truly unrivaled and unparalleled. For more information, review the details below.